Assalamu alaikum. Now we move to another topic, dot installation. So it is very important. And also it's a very easy thing. Okay. So here is just two requirements for dot installation. Dot SDK and IDE. Okay, you can download .stk from your Google Chrome and also IDE. It's very simple. You can just next, click on next, and you can install it. Okay, it's not a big problem. So here I want to show how to uh, download in Windows. It's very easy. So just you can download your SDK, then you just copy the you just copy .stk folder to C drive and add bin to your environment variable .stk. It's a very important thing. I write here bin of your dark dot SDK folder. You can add your bin your environment variables. Okay, you just copy the bin of dart SDK folder and paste in your environment variables. Okay, it's very simple. It's not a big problem, but it's a very important thing. Okay, and if you want to check your um, dot SDK that installed or not, for this you can just type in your prompt or just command line, uh, just dot hyphen version, type it in, check your that dot install or not. Okay, dot hyphen version. Okay, and also uh, when you download your IDE, I use here Visual Studio. So I like it because I use this uh, Visual Studio. You download here extension. Okay, remember that you download dot extension here. Okay, it's a very simple things. For now, it's enough, and we meet in another video. For now, goodbye. Allah Hafiz.